Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rearrange drawing layer and set it to back or to front in the calendar app with an S Pen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up and open up the calendar. Now make sure you have taken out your S Pen on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. And then we're going to tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the selection mode at the bottom and then select the layer that you want to rearrange. And from here, you can choose send it to front or to back. You can see here if I send that selection layer to the back, it is now below that blue circle layer. And if I tap on save, you can see that it is underneath. And if I want to bring it to the front, all I have to do is tap on the edit button, select that layer, then bring it to front, and now it is on top of the other layer. And that is how you can rearrange the drawing layer with an S Pen in the calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. You can also move them around by simply first select an item and then drag them around the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.